and welcome to Smart Forex Trading channel. We are going to share with you our daily trading using Smart Forex System. We will show you the platform we use and we'll break down how we use the system to trade daily. Let's start. We use tradingview.com. This is a free platform open to anyone. Free membership entitles to use 3 indicators. If you want to use more indicators, you can upgrade for the Premier account. We're not pushing that, it's entirely your choice. What we want to show you is the Smart Forex system and how it can help you to trade successfully. So the first thing we want to do is to select our market. Today we are going to choose gold. So we go to our markets list, watch list, and we choose gold, which is pre-selected here. We're happy with that and we move on. Now what I want to do is first of all add some indicators to it. The system that we use is called Smart Forex System. It has 3 components to it and we'll show you each part as we go along here. So we go to indicators here and the first one we're going to select is Smart Trend. Let me just pop that on the chart. Don't worry about it, how it looks. I'll show you how each part works in just a moment. Let me just introduce the indicators to you. So the first indicator that we have is Smart Trend, which is part of the Smart Forex system. The second part we need to add, again, we go to indicators, scripts, and we add Smart Buy Sell. Here we go. That's loaded and we have a lot of color going on now. There's lots and lots of colorful charts and pictures going on, but don't worry, we'll explain it all in a moment. Let me just add the final indicator and then we'll put it together. The final indicator is called Smart Blocks. Let's load that. There it comes. It's beautifully colorful. It's lilac and red and it will help us to confirm our trades. Now I'm going to make a small change here. I don't like this blue line here. It's a default setting. I prefer this to be green, so I'm just going to change that quickly whilst you bear with me. So Smart Trend Style. I'm just going to change this line here to green and I'll explain why I'm doing that as well. Enter. Now what I managed to do is by changing that to green, I have a green cloud here and a red cloud here, which is quite easy to see. Let me make it a little bit clearer. I'll take the Smart Buy Sell off. Here we have a green cloud, here we have a red cloud. These are important parts of the Smart Forex system. The assumption we have, or the rule we must have, is a fixed rule. It helps when you have fixed rules and when you're trading, because when you have a rule, it will tell you exactly what to do when you see the setup. Now, if we have a green cloud, what we're saying is if the market price is above the cloud, we can enter a long trade. If the market is below a red cloud, we should be looking for a long trade. Isn't that so easy? So simple. Now let me explain that again. This takes a formation from an idea from the Ichimoku cloud, if some of you are familiar with that. When the cloud is below the market, you go long. When the cloud is above the market, you go short. When the market is not in a cloud, we do not trade. It's ranging. Now, ranging is the most hardest and most difficult part for any trader. When the market is ranging, you must not trade. Simply must not trade. Forbidden. You are forbidden to trade. Simply not allowed to trade when the market is trading because you're going to lose money. The market is in a whipsaw. It's going up and down. We don't know which direction and we will quickly lose a lot of our money. So the best thing to do when it's ranging is go to the gym. So what Smart Trend is doing is enabling us to spot the trend. The trend is your friend. You've heard that so many times in so many different places and it's very true. Smart Trend will always keep you in the trend. This indicator, which is part of the Smart Forex system, is worth gold. If you know where the trend is, you can trade successfully. I hope that explains it. Now, let me just take it down into the parts a little bit further. We have a green line here, which is a fast line. We have a slow line, and we have an indication line, a trade entry triangle. You can enter a trade here safely, or you can enter a trade here safely. This is a buy, this is a sell. To make it a little bit more easier for you to trade, we're now going to pop back our other indicator, which was the Smart Buy Sell. The Smart Buy Sell has its own algorithms and its own settings, and it'll be a little bit quicker than Smart Trend. You'll notice this generally. So the way we use it as traders is as an early indicator or early trader, or if you're an aggressive trader or a scalper, then this might be the best indicator for you. You can take an early trade here or an early trade here. A conservative approach is to wait for Smart Buy Sell indicator and to wait for a confirmation here with smart blocks, and to wait for the triangle. The triangle now will give you a signal as a conservative entry. You have an aggressive entry with a buy flag. You have a conservative entry. Sorry, apologies for that. I fell over that word. You have a conservative entry with a triangle here. So this system is fantastic. It's so brilliant. It can suit aggressive traders. It can suit conservative traders. If you like slow, safe, and conservative trading, this will work fantastic for you. If you're a scalper, you want to get in fast, well, there we go. You have indicators that will tell you to get on with a trade quickly. Let's introduce our third indicator, which you've probably had a good sight of by now. It's called Smart Blocks. Now, this is a simple, straightforward blocks. It's green or red, but there are little variations here. You get shading, which shows a change of direction. This is important because we use this as an exit tool. So we know when to enter, but we want to know where to exit. So when Smart Blocks changes color, it goes green, 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 green. And the moment it starts changing color, you should be looking to be out of the trade. You want to bank your money quickly and have a successful day. Ideally, you should have banked your money a lot earlier, but if you're slow to react, then Smart Blocks will help you. It will give you a clear exit indication. Also, it also acts as a confirmation. It's beautiful. It really, really, really augments all the other indicators. It confirms everything that we're being told by the indicators. Now, I might have gone a little bit quick there, so let me break it down again for you. We have three parts of Smart Forex System. The first part is the Smart Trend. Let's just put that on. So let me clear everything so you can see it clear. And I'll go through it slowly this time. So we have Smart Trend. Smart Trend is absolutely magnificent. It's an indicator every trader must have, should have in their toolbox. It will tell you the start of a trend, the end of a trend, and the start of a new trend. Isn't that so simple and easy? The important points to remember with this one are the clouds. We have a green cloud here, we have a red cloud here. If the market is above the green cloud, you know what to do. And if the cloud is below, if the market is below the cloud, obviously you will do a long trade, a sell trade, yes? So the clouds help. And one very important note is the indicators, the triangles. These are conservative entry points, as we've discovered. We match it with our Smart Buy Sell. So we have a conservative entry here, conservative buy signal, and we have a conservative buy signal. For aggressive traders, this might be a little slow. For conservative traders, absolutely spot on. You couldn't ask for anything better than this. You come in here, and you pick up this trade all the way out to there, the color changes and you exit. Isn't that so easy and so beautiful? Now let's look at our other indicator quickly just to refresh your memory. We have Smart Buy Sell. Smart Buy Sell is blue and yellow line. So the yellow line is sell, the blue is buy. The buy indicator is the blue flag, the sell indicator is a yellow flag. These are a little bit earlier, a little bit sharper than the trend. Very, very good for scalpers or aggressive traders. But it also gives you a very good indication of where the market is going ahead of time. So it's just like looking forward a little bit into the future. It's a good insight. You can always still wait for your conservative entry. You know there's a buy trade coming up, there's a conservative entry, and you wait for that and you have a lovely trade. What we always require as traders, as professional traders, we always like to confirm what we're doing. Before we take any trade, you must confirm it, and let's repeat that before you take any trade. Please do confirm it. How do we confirm our trade? We have another indicator, Smart Blocks. Smart Blocks is so simple and straightforward. If it's green, buy. If it's red, sell. It's so simple. Couldn't be any easier, could it? It's like picking fruit off a cherry tree. So easy. Now, when we have a buy signal, we have a buy flag on our buy sell indicator, we have a green indicator, and we have Smart Blocks is green. Everything is in harmony, everything is in lined up, we are safe, and we can enter a trade here at this point. Now we're going to enter this trade at 17. You can follow me. We always enter at the close of the candle, so we will be entering here, 17.17 on gold, and here the trend is broken there. You can exit here, or you can exit with the blocks. Smart Blocks is a fantastic exit tool, and you would exit at 17.19, giving you a very, very, very successful trade. A few minutes later, we have another trade, and here it is, all lined up. We have a sell trade, sell signal, we have Smart Blocks confirming everything, and we have a red triangle as a confirmation. Our market is below the cloud, everything is in harmony, we are safe, we're going to trade, we have no fear. There's no fear in this trading. It's all set up for you to trade easy and simple. It's almost like a walk in the park. How easy could this be? There we go. Enter, and our exit is there where the fast trend is broken, or you could wait for Smart Blocks to break, or you would probably bank up here. A lot of people, when they see a good money on their account, they will bank anyway. So the exit is quite straightforward. I hope you've enjoyed that. Though it's a little bit lengthy, I apologize. If it's a little bit rushed, don't worry. We'll be doing another video soon on this. Catch up with our live trades. What we did trade was today was a gold market. And we did our live trades using the Smart Forex System. The Smart Forex System has 3 parts to it. It has a smart trend, which tells you which direction the trend is going. It has a smart buy sell with clear buy, entry, buy and sell flags. And we confirm everything using Smart Blocks, which is a very, very clear indicator. It looks very, very simplistic, but the algorithms behind this block system are immense. They're mathematical formulas that can help you trade successfully. Again, using this system is a walk in the park. It's easy as picking apples off a tree, cherries off a tree, or any other fruit that you like to imagine. It's such a simple system. Every trader should have this in their toolbox. I hope you enjoyed that, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you very much, and keep with the channel and help us to grow. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a lovely day. Bye.